right, we don't show, we don't enter. 18 come here for inside TNTV, the neighborhood television. Yes, for inside we program what we call Upgraded Nigeria. And one kind of wonder program where we they use the Okompes Lucas and the Lavouche and the Kankus and the Mekwata, Rekwata, Zikwata, something, you understand? And inside today for inside we studio, I get my friend, my brother, and you know, say all day long, we just carry on along with my old friend, my brother Frank Edward, where they give us wonderful music. That guy, God bless him. But still for inside our program today, Upgraded Nigeria, and I gave my friend, my brother, a blogger, a musician, student, maybe student to student. He's a student of where he schools. But you know how they go inside with program now? We will just allow them to use themselves and their mouth, introduce themselves, tell us who they be and who they for be. Okay, welcome to Upgraded Nigeria.
Thank you.
Who you be and who you for be?
Okay, I'm DJ Don Flash, CEO NigeriaUpdate247.com.
Nigeria Update
247.com.
Okay, you the blog or you be blogger?
The blog.
You know, these days blogging, people they fear bloggers. So honestly, once you see somebody carry a laptop, like you don't go know whether I'm a blogger, be and then the blogger mean the you know from my mouth come out. But all right, DJ Don Flash, no easy. For we inside we Port Harcourt for River State, Nigeria, Africa, worldwide. Where we they transmit from TNTV, they give people them now. People need to watch you now. How you feel to become DJ or musician? Which one you be?
I'm a DJ actually.
You're a DJ?
Yeah.
Okay. I get music where I see for our TV platform.
Yeah.
Where listen, why you choose to be musician?
Okay, I so much have love and passion for music. So right from the onset, from when I started secondary school, primary school, I've had in mind that someday, one day, I'll do.
Are the artists until they form Donald Trump for me?
No.
I say, waiting make you enter this music because if you DJ,
Yeah.
I mean the DJ, no they pay you, they don't pay well.
They pay.
So waiting, you want to confuse your ministry or waiting make you leave DJ? You don't leave DJ?
No, I never leave DJ.
You don't leave DJ?
Yes.
Okay, waiting make you go into music?
Okay, nothing much. Well, I like music. I have love for music. So as a DJ, once in a while we drop a song. We drop song as per DJ. We call up artists to do a song for us and to entertain our guests and our fans around.
Okay. Okay, and so far for inside Pitakwa, Port Harcourt,
Yeah.
how you see the entertainment industry?
Yeah. So far, I love Port Harcourt entertainment industry, and I say kudos to everyone that has been supporting Port Harcourt entertainment. So far, recently we have been growing, and we have been improving.
Don't enter Donald Trump again.
No, like we don't improve so far in our Port Harcourt entertainment. Everybody we been there some one side since all this while. Recently in the last 2-3 years now, they don't wake up. At least they show love for the Port Harcourt entertainment industry. And I believe from now to the next 2-3 years to Port Harcourt standard now go there international. No go there where we
Ask you a
dey.
small question.
Yeah.
For those of them where they are ahead of you, where they do music. Now imagine if not the music, what it is say Whiskey for me.
If not the music, I feel safe for still dey school by now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if not the music, what it is say to Baba go be?
So Baba, if not the music, if I still the superstar, but I don't know whether if I still they do music or yeah, I don't just know where for doing that shit, but I believe say if for day somewhere away for make and still they outstanding.
Okay. What about P Square? If not the music, what it say P Square for be?
Their own if not be originally from their mouth they say if no be music say they for the play ball, but from wetin I don see so far I say if no be music they for the play they for the dance because they good for dance.
Dancer?
Yes.
You know if no be music wetin for do?
If no be music so far.
Because your face, you get to your face dey talk, you know if music wetin go do?
If no be music so far, I was still in my school alone, and so far even before now, I don't dey blog. So if no be music, I was still dey do my blogging, and also I'm a computer scientist in my school, so I was still become programmer. For dey do all those stuff then to concern blogging.
You know, say this blogging one at the top, people waiting for all this internet something. You go see somebody where for internet, it be done, it be this, it be that. He come and simply go find job for go interview. When he dey for interview, he come be say your Facebook friend, then they interview you. And for Facebook, you get money pass the company. For Facebook, you get money pass the company where they go employ you. For Facebook, they spray money, you go there for motor. For Facebook, you go see some people for fine house. I'm just chilling out, I'm going to abroad. You can't go find work for somewhere but somebody. Inside the office, the person interview you. Their Facebook friend will say, oh my God, don't flash. Yeah, do here. Are you for the contract? Say no. Madam, my work I can't find you. Okay, get out from this place. Honestly, I the reason say, if not be music for this world, some people for the Segala, if not be music for this world, so many people for still love motor.
Yeah.
And now, when you get inside this music way they do now, you say now your passion, now what you desire, now what you enter your brain and your mind to do music.
Yes.
Be sure.
Very sure.
You know, say some years back, if you tell your parents say if you're a musician, music again, Naibo, music again, pano, they make music, can you go Then, before I will just ask you the next question, as I come, it gets small accident to happen for road. Now that place, I respect people. You know, say, I notice, say, if you drive your motor, it depends person you bash in car. Now it depends on the response. If you can't your motor they drive, you can't go jam Calabar man motor. Calabar man no come out for the motor at once, so you go there for steering, start to cry. Neka me, mbok. Yementoro, bang 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 bentoro. As he come out from the motor looking, he say, oh, neka me oh. Na Calabar. You don't get to worry, not just to tell and sorry. But if you can't drive your motor, you don't know who you go jam. You go jam Aboki Hausa man. You know me? You don't get too much problem for Hausa people. Because as he jam Hausa person, only thing when you get to the dinner to just they talk amen. Because the Hausa man go leave the motor, they cost himself. Go out like, hey, where like, hey, my brother, I jamais for my motor catch what? Oh, damn baka, shege. When the I go pay me, just say amen. In fact, when the I go pay my family, he say amen. In fact, when the I go kill me as I come out, I never come back, he say amen. And I make then they talk, it happen to them. Now, if you carry this your motor, drive amo, go jam Yoruba, Omo Yoruba. Ejo. As he drive, push. As he never say, their mouth they open small. As he come up for the motor, look the maybe na the light. Yoruba people like witness. They will want make somebody bear the witness. And they say, brother, Ogami, don't be vexed, yo. I say you are here. You are here. I was having my own jejely. I say you are here. Okay, wait, I'm coming. Let me go and call police. Just wait here. I say run to go call police. He drive the motor run. You know the problem. But when you come carry your motor, driver, as he drive your motor, driver, woo, he don't know where he go jam. He pass all this, will go jam, he go man. Hey, oh I'm late. As he hit them, boosh. As he just there for the steering, he go laugh you. Hey, Chineke me, oh Chineke me, you only has all market. What come as all market? Oh, I all. You just come close to it, beg him, man. It's all market. As he just come out, come look the bomber. Go bring her in phone. You go to say, man, won't call police. Still bring her in phone. Ah, Obi na, Obi. Omo Chukwemeka. Enu ni koku. Jabi ko bomba ego le. 35,000. Ego la kopota ya that is nda na kopota no moto ka ha ego le. Panebita yes 10,000. Okay, he spray ko ego le 18,000. Bako ya ego le. Oh my brother is all about 80. Calculate it. That's how it be. But when you come jam, go jam Chinese man. Now there you go no say he jam motor. What you go to speak, you no go to hear am, but you go to enjoy am. You go just a laugh. Amuda, mi don't so won't go to ya, the one that cry. Mi don't see come one meter. Don't so eat them out, they don't do ya. You we go to your ya. That is how it is. So carry this your music now, jam DJ, carry the DJ, jam blogging. Come carry this blogging now, jam your computer. Listen, everything now still entertainment.
Yeah.
I'm be waiting make me no to verse for you. Everything now entertainment in land because I believe say without education, my brother, so many things we do for this world, you no go get them or you no go be. But I believe say people who have been there for seats before no tell us the truth. They may tell us say we believe say if you just go school, come out, job brekete. We know say as you enter there, then lock the key, change the padlock. Hey, let's say we are the leaders of tomorrow. Go watch it now. All right, before we just go play your video. Before we play your video, I want to ask you very few questions. In 2 years' time, where you want to see yourself?
In a few years' time.
2 years'
In
time.
2 years' time.
Yes.
Okay, I want to see myself doing well enough in the entertainment industry. I want to see myself in the next 2 years being known in Nigeria and around the world. So that is why I use this opportunity I have now to do the best I can, so that in the next 2 years I'll be among the best that will be celebrated in Nigeria and around the world.
Oh, too much. In fact, we just watch your video now. As we just watch your video, I'll come back ask you 1 or 2 questions. We'll drag the curtain here for today because we still there for TNTV in about television for Upgraded Naija. Say Upgraded Naija now.
Upgraded Naija.
Confirmento.
When the party don't send to you, everybody they run they go. When the DJ don't send to you, everybody they run they go. DJ don't flash play oh, play oh, play. Wahala dey, I play oh, play oh, wahala dey. Anytime when we enter the place, the girls and they look our face. Sometimes we dey drink like say we don't dey crazy. I remember when we start, some people they carry us play. But now we are very big boys, flexing every day. Don't splash on the wheel, it's the wheel check a pound. See that your papa, how to see your papa. This is lower me, I want to chop, they want chop. When the party don't set yo, everybody they rum they go. When the DJ don't set yo, everybody they rum they go. DJ don't flash play oh, play oh, play oh. Wahala day, play oh, play oh. Wahala day.
Why DJ don't flash, scratch them like say the content will get drunk. Why bang up like a shower, they go dance and must go even to my yourself come.
Oh, oh God, this song sweet. But you get one to invest me for musician. Most especially in plenty for Lagos, so but for Port Harcourt now plenty pass. You get show where I go MC for listen. The Bible say cut suit according to your size. You get one guy, this guy wear bling full everywhere. Open earring. Wear for ya, carry earring, pierce one eye, perfume, gold watch. Gonna tell me MC call me now. MC call me, my jam tight man. My jam tight man. I said okay, no wahala now. I can't call him. Ladies, waiting me say my name not too much money. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's welcome too much money. This guy they sing, they play in video. For the video you hold dollars, you hold money. I have money, I travel to UK, this, that. I say, wow, too much money, too much. Oh. My mind come tell me, say, Chai, after this show, I fit tell this guy, make him bless me. He not reach 1 hour. I think performing he come make me MC. Let me 2 age, man, just carry go Oja Alaba. Say need 200. I say, wait. You will say he spent 20 million on this and that. Respect yourself. I hope say your ministry is not like that.
No, my ministry is not like that.
All right, tell me, who be your role model? Who they look up to?
Okay, the person I'm looking up to as
I they ask you they form Donald Trump for me, have you?
who are the person who they look up to now as DJ? I'm looking up to DJ Spinner and DJ Exclusive. In every day of my endeavor, I do my best so that I could be one of them in the next 2-3 years too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, them now too, they do music.
Yeah.
They do DJ.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna look up to them. Okay. That's a very wonderful one. And DJ Don Flash is a Port Harcourt art. Is doing well. But no forget, say, for inside where we dey, we state the place where we dey, better thing, one confirmed thing. You know, say, it gets where you go reach for age, for life. Nobody go tell you to tell people your age.
Yes.
If you do birthday, when they do your birthday, say, okay, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. They call it, how old are you now? 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 People need to agree call their age. They go say, I'm +1 today. But it gets where it go reach. Nobody go tell you to tell people your age. You know the time? No. Golden Jubilee. 50. Rivers State, they celebrate 50 years. 50, not be 15. 50 years anniversary. It's not easy. And inside we state, so many things they happen. So many things they happen. People they enjoy. Last time they do wrestling, last time they do for chips and other things. So many things they go on. Activities. And the man where they bring this thing for us now, one man where we respect. When God don't say yes, carry go. You are the man of the people. You know the person?
I know.
You know?
I know.
You know?
I know.
And the executive governor of Rivers State, the person they call Chief Barrister Yesuwike CON. This man, God will bless him. Now one man way in hand, they very open. But you need to give me my own. No? Yeah, open a corner near me. You cannot just open it and open it to other people. Let's talk, you say. After you meet me, I'll tell you the meaning. All right, for inside this golden jubilee where River State they celebrate, how you see them?
Yeah. So far I don't see am say since 2 months now I don't notice activities everywhere, activities wrestling and this one, that one, and treasure park. They don't almost finish treasure park, so they don't finish them. I just say inside this month now they go open and travel, they have things like that. So far it has been very big event here in Port Harcourt, River State. Activities here and there for this golden jubilee. I pray we'll make as these things they go, make also make everybody we don't try do 1 or 2 things for River State to follow pray, because not only activities go only when we do our things we need to call God to make him follow bless the thing.
Now,
So
question I want to ask you, sorry to cut you. Inside this golden jubilee way they celebrate for we River State for Port Harcourt, you think say everybody they participate?
no,
No,
not
no.
everybody.
Now it think say everybody they enjoy the thing where they inside.
No, not everybody.
Okay. May not be say I talk with I will talk now. People go talk for Facebook say I'm in my house, come and beat me. I'm not in my house, so I don't beat me because you know they hard. Honestly speaking. But I beg we they plan this wonderful program Rivers at 50. Also we can recognize the entertainers where they the state. The stakeholders, people where they make things happen, where they make the town they busy small. People they also try to do things. Make on a try bring them close, because it no go good when something like this could happen. We get stakeholders, comedians, musicians, people like Don Flash and other musicians who can go outside, go they bring in those people. It will be like say we were there, we know they do well.
Yeah.
So remember, they say charity begins at home. Just like get other media houses where they we take, meet them, call them. The money where you go carry pay others, make them carry go develop other states. Make that money still roll for this state. You understand?
Yes.
Because if you pay Don Flash this money now, now stay for River State,
I
you
go
go spend that.
down, man.
But you carry this money now, pay, I don't want to call name. You understand?
Yeah.
You get say they carry come to come MC this program for we River State here. Or them you go carry the money now. When you go back, you did there go spend and there. You go to me to say, go to so many years, go to me go ya, go to so many years, I say, no gonna use on a tongue, can't on a teeth, because no go do it, go do God go first. At times, His Excellency, know they are aware. I beg, you know, go do something, the person will blame. Now His Excellency, people they point accusing finger on our government say now you, why people they spoil the thing, they by the side. Are they now? Now we state now. This in our community. Sorry, I don't say in our community. Now our own. You know what they say now? Our community. Don't put the collect food. I cut our community with this. So me. Now for them, I'm ba kilo shelle. Ekushe. The like I'm not that fly. They enter the matter top. Okay, still big kudos to TNTV, the neighborhood television, to the man with it behind the camera, my own person, my brother, the engineer himself, the person of Chinwe Woko. I see you. I want man where they say, people they talk say, if you sit down, you waiting elder sit down. See, small people climb tree. You know we say na lie yo. Now before, now elder go there for house, small pikin go lie down for ground, carry phone, sell am. You go browse, snap you, sell you. Small pikin go there, know wetin dey happen. No be small children dey tell people say that time winch hang for electric pole. Elders dey say
for where?
Happen. One idiot nonsense winch wey no chop belle full. You no know wetin you go do. You know go find work. You know go accept Jesus Christ. You see they fly anyhow. You go hang for Pope or Ajib. I think go play maybe please catch up. You just go for one high tension. You know what I'm saying? River State here, they don't come out the high tension close to people's house. Say governor no get sense. Adjust and say people adjust, which is there and you go land, he say na Mama Chukwu dey house today. You know they for high tension. When they want play electric shock and now then not say blood is thicker than water. All right, my people, my name they call Magic Mouth, the comedian, and now maybe the original Chinese Igbo man for inside TNTV, the neighborhood television. We program now Upgraded Nigeria, and today I dey with my friend, my brother, the person they call Don Flash, DJ Don Flash, blogger, electrician,
No.
musician. All right, here we draw the curtain. Now here we say le one uje ije along the go. And the program now, so we do the program every Thursday. River State, kudos. Barrister, kudos.